When you make pointing out the donkey of the day a part of your job, the least you can do is make sure that you're never the donkey of the day. Okay? And now we're talking about donkeys. Charlemagne the God, DJ Envy, and Jesse. They had Candace Owens up there after her abrupt departure from The Wire. And they were actually trying to normalize this woman. Have you ever seen Charlemagne the God recently? Trying to be behaving as if he speaks for black people. And that he's down with local politics. All of them, they were just sitting there trying to normalize Candace Owens. Is that even possible? So yeah, I'm stamping all three for donkeys.